Effortlessly managing EBS volume snapshots can often feel like a challenging task, especially when handling multiple instances and ensuring robust data protection. In the AWS console, for example, creating snapshots is a tedious process. You can only select one volume ID at a time and must provide a description for each one. This makes bulk operations inefficient, adds unnecessary complexity, consumes valuable time, and increases the risk of errors. But what if there was a way to simplify it all? With Cloudshot, you can list, create, and delete snapshots seamlessly, streamlining the entire process in one place. Now, let's get started. First, select the EBS volume, right-click on it, and navigate to Cloudshot AWS. If you want to learn how to create EBS volumes and use the multi-attach feature with Cloudshot, check out the video linked in the description box below. Let's get back to it. Click on the Manage Snapshots option. Once the EBS volume snapshot details page opens, the first step is to create a snapshot. Click on the Create Snapshots button. In Select Volume IDs, you can choose specific volume IDs, multiple volume IDs, or select all to include every available volume. For this demo, we will select all. In Description for selected volumes, here you can add a common description for all volumes. You can assign individual descriptions to each volume by entering them in the description field next to the respective volume ID. You can optionally define key value pairs as tags for each volume to better categorize. And also a mass apply feature for tags, similar to the description, is currently in progress, so stay tuned for updates. After entering the details, click the Create Snapshots button to complete the process. After that, you will get a message that the snapshot creation process has started. Next, click the Refresh button to update the status. The pending status will change to completed once the snapshot creation is finished. You can also delete the snapshot if needed. Simply click on the Delete icon. You will get a message that the snapshot has been deleted. And that's all you need to do. Whether you're listing, creating, or deleting snapshots, Cloudshot streamlines the process so you can focus on what matters most. Try Cloudshot today and transform your EBS snapshot management into a breeze. Thank you for watching.